Hi up guys, and this video we're gonna talk about Instagram something went wrong, please try again later. Yes, this could be a quite problem for it, but don't worry about it, we are here to help you to get out from this problem. The first thing what you can do, you need to swipe up just and take here that size. Here you need to turn off your Wi-Fi to get try with your mobile data, and then you need to get off from your Instagram and go to your settings side, then go for applications, and now you need to go for manage applications, and on the search box you need to type for the application. In this case is Instagram. And now what you need to do, simply you need to get up here, go for app permissions, and the most importantly right here is location section. Go for location, and if it's don't allow or ask every time, you need to make sure that this permission is so important for this getting up problem. Go for the first site and make sure that is selected on it. Get back, and that's it guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon guys.